Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am here today to share a couple of things. One is my haul from Quince and the other one is my amazingly good deal handbag that I saved over 75% on. It's a designer handbag. It's from Bottega Veneta. I cannot wait to share with you. So if you're interested in these outfits plus the new bag, continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. Like I said, today's video is two parts. One is unboxing this bag, which I just picked up probably a week. It depends on when this video goes live, but I literally just picked it up yesterday. And so after editing, maybe a week. But I'm also sharing with you 5 pieces that I picked up. I have purchased from Quince before, and it's been a while, but when they reached out to have me pick out some pieces for my summer wardrobe, I was beyond thrilled. I know that this brand has amazing quality and the price is also really good. It actually took me a while to select these 5 pieces because there were so many options. If you browse through their website, you will see that they have men, women clothing, they have home, they have handbags, they have shoes. It's so good. It was so hard to just pick a handful of things. But why it was really exciting to work with Quince is because they are a brand that is redefining luxury. They offer high quality, essential pieces, but at accessible prices. So you'll see that throughout their website, what they charge you, and then what it traditionally would have cost at, say, Aritzia or Reformation or Frame. They believe in making premium fashion, home goods, and wellness products while making them affordable. And they don't compromise the quality, sustainability, or ethics. And they are able to do this because they cut out the middleman and they work directly with top-tier manufacturers who provide the finest silk materials, cashmere, organic cotton, and more. When you touch these pieces, you'll know that they have quality. I've actually tried on all of the pieces here, which I will flash up as I talk about them in outfits so that you can kind of see how I style it. And you can also see the movement of them because I have some cashmere here, I have some linen, I have some silk, and it's just beautiful. And I can attest to a lot of it being very similar to higher end brands as well. So let's get started with the first piece that I have here, which is, you can't really see it too much, so let me take it off the hanger. You're not really supposed to hang this type of material, which is 100% Mongolian cashmere. I don't know if you can see how flowy, how soft it is, but it does not feel scratchy at all. It is not the thickest piece of material, but it is thick enough where it's not see-through, and it feels so good draped. This one is a little bit warm for like a hot summer day, but a cool summer night, oh my goodness, this one is just perfect. I love how versatile this will be. It's boat necked, and I could say that I could wear it easily on its own. I could wear it over a tank top. I can also wear it over a dress, for example. So this one is beautiful. This one, I know Mongolia has a lot of good cashmere. I just bought one actually not too long ago. It's a cashmere from Mongolia. It's a button-up cardigan, and I loved it so much. The price tag on that though was like $400. So guess how much this one is? This piece from Quince is only $79.90. It's a crazy good deal. And if you compared it to other brands, they start at about $175 to $395 from Jenny Kane, for example. So this is an amazing piece. I do have a couple pieces from Jenny Kane, and I can attest that this feels basically the same thing. I have the Flynn cashmere sweater, and it feels just as good. Now, I did just get this, so I don't know about the longevity. I can come back on here and update in the comments about how it is once I wear it longer, but just judging by first look, first feel, first try on, I would say this one is a pretty good bang for your buck. At $79.90, multiple colors, you just can't go wrong. I may end up picking up another color as well. All right, next up, we have a pair of linen shorts. This one is a summer staple. Linen is a great cotton breathable material that is just good for coverage, so you don't get burned, but it is also not something that will make you super sweaty because you can breathe in it. So this one is their 100% European linen, which they have such good ratings for. And I can see why. The waistband is comfortable and the length here is also amazing. There's also 2 pockets on the side. I love my pockets. So it is just the perfect piece of pair of shorts for summer. This linen high-waisted shorts is only $29.90. That is crazy. That is a crazy good deal. Traditionally, you'll probably find this to be about $60, and I've seen it at $158 at Rails. So you are getting really good deal with this piece, and they also come in different colors as well. So if this is oatmeal colors not your style, I would say there's plenty of other options. I did get this one in a size small. It is a little bit loose on me, but I do know that linen can shrink when you wash it and expand when you are wearing it. So because it's the kind of the first time I'm getting one of these linen pieces, I did go with a small, but in the summertime, I don't want to wear anything like too tight anyway. So I think this is actually going to be great. All right, in contrast to the pair of shorts, I also have a linen pair of long pants. This pair of trousers is actually perfect on my height. I am 5'1", about 115 pounds, and I think that this one is normally a little bit like ankle or maybe even shorter than that on most models, but on me, it ended up being perfectly long length, and I also got this one in a size small. I love this piece. I love this blue. It's like a French blue, perfect for the summer. Again, it's 100% European linen. The material feels just as like soft, but I just know that it'll be great for the summertime. And yeah, so if you don't want to wear shorts, you want to wear something a little bit more covered up, you can choose something like this. Again, comes in multiple colors on their website. This pair of linen trousers have 2 pockets up in the front, and it also has a pocket in the back. So it's very versatile for carrying all your goodies. This one is $39.90 right now on the website, and traditionally you can find this for $138. And I've seen it on Aritzia for $148. So again, you're getting this at a fraction of the price, but you're still getting amazing quality, good bang for your buck. This pair of trousers can easily be paired with the Mongolian sweater that I've shown you here. And the next piece, which I will share with you now, this one, oh my gosh, can you see how beautifully silky this is? This is their stretchable, washable silk top. Now, because it is a little bit stretchy, it does give you a lot more freedom of movement. A lot of my silk shirts are beautiful, but sometimes they feel a little like tight, right? And this one has just a little bit of stretch. So it's 90% silk and 10% spandex, so that gives you a little stretch, but it by no means is a stretchy material. So you can see like when I pull on it, it doesn't really give. But when you're like, if you have it on and you stretch out, you can kind of feel a little bit more relaxed, like allowing you to move, which is great. You want to wear something that is comfortable but still looks good. This one is a great option. This one is in a dark forest color. I believe they have one other color. But yeah, this one is beautiful, and I can see myself wearing it actually with both the pair of linen short or the long linen trousers. This one is $79.90, and you normally would find it on other websites for $138 or even up to $378 on the Frame Jeans website. All right, lastly, I have this. This is a beautiful dress. I don't think you can see it all. It's a very long dress. Actually, on me, it's almost like full length. It's like almost just above my ankle a little bit, but it is in this pinstripe kind of print. I don't know if you can see it. It is 100% linen, and it is, oh my gosh, so gorgeous. It has a square neck right here, and it does have 2 pockets on the side right here and right here. There's a zipper in the back, but there's also some like ruching, which allows you to have a very fitted bodice look, but without the like constraint. So it stretches to your body. but not like in a stretchy tube top kind of way, if that makes sense. So it has the right amount of stretch and it just looks beautiful. I also love the detail of this. So for the strap, if you are petite like me, you'll know that sometimes the strap is too long for your body shape. Here you have options. So as you can see, you can remove this button right here, and you can either shorten it or lengthen it by whichever slit you put the button through. So you can essentially make this short or long depending on your body shape, which is amazing. I picked this one up, but they do have a lot of other colors. They have some solid colors. They also have more printed colors as well. I could see myself wearing this alone on a, winter day, but then it gets cold and I can drape this Mongolian sweater over it for nighttime and it'll look still just as beautiful. This is 100% European linen and it's like a fit and flare style midi dress. Again, on me, I'm 5'1", so it's actually like full length, but if you're short, just know that it'll still work out for you. It is $79.90, which is an amazing deal for like an entire outfit. But on other websites, they can start at $168 and even go up to $278 like on the Reformation website. So I think this is, again, an amazing deal. If you can find it, sometimes they get sold out. Oh, by the way, I'll link all of these pieces below for you as well if you're interested. And if they are sold out, you can always put yourself on the wait list. So yeah, let me know if you've ever tried Quince and if you like any of these pieces or you own some of these pieces, because I do think they are really, really good for the summer and even some into the fall too. All right, so we are now at the stage where I show you this beautiful piece. This is my newest handbag from Bottega Veneta, and I was as surprised as you maybe when you clicked on this video about how much money I saved. So here is the dust bag. It is one of the older style. I actually like the older style dust bag more than the new one. If you want to see what the new one looks like, you can see a recent unboxing that I did of my Bottega Veneta bag that I purchased in Carmel. But this one I purchased recently at Nordstrom. So I was not aware. I was at the anniversary sale and I just was browsing and I walked by the handbag department because of course I just always end up walking by there. It's not on the way out, but you take detours, whatever. And I met one of the best salesperson there. She was telling me, oh yeah, there's a lot on sale. By the way, I would wait till tomorrow because there's an additional 40% off. I was like, what? So this item was already discounted, but in addition, I got another 40% off the next day. So she rung me up the next day. I just told her, yeah, I want this one. I could not believe it. This bag, is over $3,000, but I got it for less than $1,000. So let's take a look and then I'll go into the specifics. I don't know if you can guess what it is, but I've been loving my Bottega Veneta bags. The lambskin intrecciato is just beautiful. So I knew I had to give this one a try. Okay, so to reveal it's a little snug in here, small Arco tote. This is in the sage color and it is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. When I saw it and saw that it was on sale, I was like, oh yeah, I kind of want this one. And the price was just unbeatable. So I could see myself wearing this with all of these outfits here, which I will now pop up to show you all of the combinations that you can wear it with this. But like I said, I really do like my intrecciato lambskin leather from Bottega. They make the best lambskin handbags. And this one is different in the sense that it is much bigger. So the previous two that I have from Bottega, they're both very tiny weaves. This one is a big weave, as you can see the squares, but I thought that was kind of nice. Let's take out the stuffing. All right, so inside the bag, you'll see that it has a darker green color, which I mean, I do kind of like in a way, because if I, put stuff in there and it gets a little dirty, my bags don't usually get dirty, but you never know. It actually will look pretty good. It also comes with a pouch. Now this pouch is removable. There is a little, I don't know if you can see it down here. Maybe you can't see it right here, but there is a little hook and little clasp option. So then you can actually carry this somewhere else. This is just a smooth lambskin pouch. So soft. And let me just show you the inside. Oh, there's a care booklet here. It's very basic, simple, but you know, with a tote this big, you definitely want something to hold your like more precious items. The way you close this bag is actually with 2 leather ties here, which I don't see myself doing. I can show you really quick, but it's just, I think it'll just take too long. So it's hard to do it while it's suspended in the air, but you'll see that if you tie a bow, it'll just kind of close it shut. I don't, again, see myself doing that. If anything, I could see myself getting an organizer with a little like zipper top. But yeah, I think it is important for this bag to have a insert because I don't know if you can see, well, actually it's too dark in here, huh? But like here, let me show you this. If I stick my hand into one of the weaves, it can pop out. Can you see that? Let's see, how else can I do? See that? So it is because it's not lined. So the leather are just weaved together. It's very intricate. You do have to kind of like put your hand to do that. But you know, if you have a very small item, I could see it maybe falling out. I don't know. So with the smaller weaves, it's harder because it's so tight and you know, the item would have to like really wiggle through. But with a larger weave like this, you can definitely, you know, things could also come out. So I think, yeah, I'm probably gonna get an organizer for this. One thing that is a con for this bag though, is that there are no feet. And I think this is a big enough bag where it should have it, but you know, I'm probably most likely gonna carry it on the crook of my arm or like on my shoulder. So like this, and it should be okay. I will be more careful with using it, but again, for the price, I'm just like, how is this possible? And this was not the only piece. Let me just tell you. So this one on the tag here, it says it is $3,300. Now I have seen it on the Saks website more recently and it's like $3,600 or $3,900. This one I got for $900 something, which is crazy. I've never heard of that before. And you know, they still sell the Arco on, you know, Saks, Bergdorf, I mean Nordstrom even. So I'm just so surprised that, you know, they would sell this one. And this color, the sage color, is still available on Bottega's website in the Andiamo. So it's not like a super discontinued color either. You know, I'm just like, what, why? Anyway, there was another lady at Nordstrom that was like crazy about like, show me what else you have. I want to buy everything that's on sale. And that wasn't me, but I could see her why she would do that. Anyway, if you are interested in getting yourself a designer handbag, I think they also had YSL. Not every piece of handbag is this discounted, but they do have things from, I think YSL, Bottega, I believe they had, now slipping my mind, they have like another brand as well that is additional 40% off. So actually Nordstrom right now has an additional 40% off of their designer, a lot of their designer items. If you are looking for a designer item that already is on sale, there is a possibility that has additional 40% off, which is an amazing, amazing price. So I would highly go and check that out. If you are interested in the anniversary sale though, I would highly recommend checking the other 2 videos that I already posted. One is come shopping with me and try on, and the other one's my wish list. So the anniversary sale does end on August 3rd. So I would highly recommend taking advantage of that. It's open to the public, so you can get an amazing sale there, amazing deals there, as well as pick up some designer stuff that you've been looking at, because wow. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna totally be using this for the summertime. And if you have enjoyed these pieces, like I said, I will link it below. Thank you so much to Quince for this collaboration. Happy to be a Quince partner. And yeah, for gifting me some of these pieces to share with you guys. I would love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried Quince before? Will you pick up any of these items? Leave it in the comments below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.